Imagine the wealth of the world's richest at your fingertips. It's not just about having a fat bank account, it's about the mindset and strategies they use to get there. You see, the wealthy have a unique approach to money. They use secret mental tricks that significantly increase their fortunes. And the best part, these strategies are both accessible and practical for anyone willing to learn. Through extensive research and personal experiences, these 6 mental tricks have been uncovered. They are not just theories, but proven strategies used by successful individuals around the globe. It's a journey worth embarking on, a journey that could change your financial life forever. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of the rich and powerful? To explore a new mindset that can propel you towards financial success? Stay with us to unlock these secret mental strategies and elevate your financial game. Now, we know what you're thinking. Do these tricks really work? Can I, an average person, really use them? It's natural to question. You might be wondering if these strategies are only for the super rich, or if they require some sort of unique talent to implement. Rest assured, these are accessible, practical strategies that anyone can learn and use. You don't need a 6-figure income to start, nor do you need an Ivy League education. What you do need is a willingness to learn and change. We promise to provide real-world examples and clear explanations to dispel any doubts you might have. These aren't abstract theories, but concrete, actionable steps that can take you closer to financial prosperity. So, hold on to your skepticism for a bit longer as we dive into these mind-blowing strategies. So what are these secret mental strategies that the wealthy swear by? Let's dive in and find out. First up, we have the wealth mindset. This is all about viewing money differently. For the wealthy, money isn't a finite resource that's hard to come by. Instead, they see it as a tool, an opportunity. It's something that can be grown, nurtured, and used to create more wealth. So how can you start shifting your mindset? Start by thinking of money as a means to an end, not the end itself. It's a tool for achieving your goals. With this mindset, you'll start seeing opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Next, we have goal visualization. This isn't just about setting financial goals, it's about visualizing them as if they've already been achieved. This mental trick is all about creating a clear mental image of your success. Visualization techniques can vary, but one effective method is to take a few minutes each day to imagine your life after achieving your financial goals. Feel the emotions, envision the lifestyle. This will not only motivate you, but also subconsciously guide your decisions towards these goals. Our third trick is fearless investment. Now, this doesn't mean taking reckless risks. It's about not letting fear dictate your investment choices. Wealthy individuals understand that risk is an inherent part of investing, but they don't shy away from it. They assess it smartly and make informed decisions. To apply this, start learning about different investment options. Educate yourself about the risks and rewards, and don't let fear stop you from making an investment decision. Fourth on our list is the power of saying no. It's easy to get distracted by every shiny opportunity that comes your way, but successful people understand the value of focus. They say no to opportunities that don't align with their long-term goals. To apply this, prioritize your opportunities. Think about how they fit into your bigger picture. Remember, saying no to a good opportunity isn't a loss if it allows you to say yes to a great one. The fifth mental trick is continuous learning. This is a commitment to never stop growing, both personally and financially. The wealthy understand that financial success isn't a destination, it's a journey that involves constant learning and adaptation. To apply this, integrate learning into your daily routines. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars. Always be on the lookout for new knowledge and insights. Finally, we have networking. Wealthy individuals understand the power of relationships. They know that strategic relationships can open doors and create opportunities. To apply this trick, start by expanding your network. Attend industry events, join online communities, reach out to people you admire. And remember, networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving too. Always look for ways to provide value to others. These strategies aren't just for the rich and famous. They're for anyone willing to learn and apply. They're not get-rich-quick schemes. They're practical strategies that involve changing your mindset, setting clear goals, making smart investments, learning continuously, and building strategic relationships. And remember, the journey to financial success isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and a lot of hard work. But with these mental tricks in your arsenal, you're well on your way to joining the ranks of the wealthy. All this sounds great, but does it really work? Let's see some real-life examples. Consider the story of Emma, a single mother of two who was struggling to make ends meet. By adopting the wealth mindset, she started a small online business that now generates a steady income. Then there's John, a recent university graduate who used goal visualization to land a high-paying job in his desired field. Let's not forget about Lisa, a retired teacher who decided to fearlessly invest her savings into a startup. Today, she's reaping the benefits of that bold decision. And Robert, a busy executive who learned the power of saying no to distractions, has seen a significant increase in his productivity and earnings. These people come from different backgrounds, yet they all share one thing in common. They've applied these mental tricks and witnessed a substantial improvement in their financial status. As you can see, these strategies work for a wide variety of people, not just the wealthy elite. Now, before you rush off to implement these tricks, let's talk about some common pitfalls you need to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes people often make is being impatient. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency and persistence, not instant gratification. So avoid the trap of expecting immediate results. Another pitfall is the failure to adapt. Flexibility is key in any wealth-building journey. If a strategy isn't working, be willing to reassess and adjust your approach. Finally, beware of a negative mindset. It's easy to become discouraged when faced with setbacks. But remember, even the wealthiest individuals have faced their fair share of failures. What sets them apart is their ability to maintain a positive, growth-oriented mindset. They view each setback as a valuable learning opportunity, not a failure. So when you encounter obstacles, don't let them deter you. Instead, use them to fuel your growth and resilience. Remember, success isn't about avoiding mistakes, but learning from them. So how can you start using these tricks in your life? Let's break it down. First, shift your mindset. Consider money as a tool, an opportunity, not a finite resource. Start by practicing gratitude for what you already have and visualize the wealth you desire. Second, face your fears. Understand that investment is an essential part of wealth creation. Start by learning about different types of investments and make informed decisions. Third, master the art of saying no. Prioritize opportunities that align with your long-term financial goals. Fourth, commit to continuous learning. Read, listen to podcasts, attend seminars. Make learning a part of your daily routine. Fifth, network effectively. Build strategic relationships. Remember, your network is your net worth. And finally, start small. A small shift today can lead to significant changes in the future. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, but start now. So there you have it, the secret mental strategies used by the wealthy now in your hands. We've taken a journey through the power of 6 mental tricks, harnessing the wealth mindset, the art of goal visualization, the courage of fearless investment, the strength in saying no, the importance of continuous learning, and the value of networking. Each of these strategies is a tool in your arsenal, ready to be wielded in the pursuit of financial well-being. Remember, these aren't just theories. These are practical and accessible techniques that have been proven to work in real life. They've been used by countless successful individuals, and now they're available for you to use as well. The key to unlocking your financial potential lies within your mind. By mastering these mental tricks, you're not just making more money, you're taking control of your financial future. We encourage you to comment with your thoughts or experiences, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, the power to change your financial future is in your hands. This channel is your beacon guiding you towards valuable, actionable content to help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.